So I worked as a research technician before my PhD, and that was really interesting to me as all of the skills listed was stuff that I did during my undergrad, and I also did a year in industry where I got a whole year of research experience, a lot of which was crossed over with what I did when I started at Warwick. I would say the most important thing I did during my undergrad degree was my year in industry. I think it was a really excellent experience to get a lot of hands-on lab time, which you don't always get during a 3-year course. So I would recommend an industry placement for anyone who is thinking about it. So I did my undergrad degree in biochemistry, and there wasn't a lot of plant science, but during my year in industry, I did plant science at a university in Sweden. And that was when I really felt like I found what I wanted to do for the rest of my scientific career. So I do a lot of microscopy on my PhD, and plants are the most interesting kingdom because they're quite difficult to image. So the challenge is part of what makes them really great. I'd say every day as a PhD student is different, but a lot of it is planning your experiments, and then the best part is actually doing them. And with plant science as well, there's a bit of time looking after the plants themselves, which is always really great to see them grow.